Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to message TikTok friends. To message TikTok friends, we can use the inbox feature. First, launch TikTok on your device and make sure to log in with your credentials. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on your friend's icon from the list or use the search icon to find them. Now, type your message in the text box and hit send. You can also send emojis, stickers, or TikTok videos. Take note, you can only message users who follow you back unless their privacy settings allow others to send messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.